Hey, what's up MIR protocol holders? Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon guys for videos notification. Hope you subscribe this channel. Please, if you want to make money from crypto, if you want to free signal, then subscribe this channel guys. If we look out this time, MIR protocol conditions, so 65.49%. it is a big change in last 24 hours in MIR protocol. This was a very good profit, my brothers. You can see here too, you will make now from MIR today. Let's see, my brothers, to how much opportunities, how much chances today will pumps up and how much they will give you a profit. Let's see. Before I will start this video, remember my brothers, this was not a financial video. I just advise you to kindly research personally. The volume is look like, my brothers, you can see here totally increasing 1360.48%. it was increased. Now remember, always remember, if the volume was increasing, that's mean to people are investing and the seller, the buyer rate of RB also increasing now. So that's why remember, when volume was increasing, think totally market cap and price was be increasing now. So 100% you can see this time after 64% they will already take a profit, and I'm sure, my brothers, the price will be more 40 to 50% increasing. So 0.3313 USD dollar was the current price and 0.5 USD dollar was the price target. Maybe they will hit now, my friend, again the highest point. The highest point, if we could see here, 0.40. Sorry, it's above now from 0.4 if we click out here now. So my friend, definitely you can see here it was look like they will hit now 0.3558 USD dollar just in only in recently, you can see here in last 24 hours. So I'm sure, my brothers, after a short time MIR protocol will be hit now again this high price target, because just in only in a few hours after a 4-hour candle chart, I'm sure they will start pumping up. Thanks for watching MIR protocol holders. This time if you take an entry in 0.3313 USD dollar, absolutely they will give you 0.4 USD dollar. Exit now and get very huge profit. Thanks for watching MIR protocol holders and subscriber. Please, if you are not subscriber, then subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz and take care.